Here we've got a 1965 Mustang. It's a national first prize winner and full of great features, and it's red on red if you haven't already noticed. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com where you'll find all the specs and pricing on this car and a few hundred others we have. They're all for sale. We have shipping, financing, and a whole staff of people here that are willing and able to help you get your dream car. Plenty of ways to contact us on our website. Go to volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see the most awesome cars. We're doing a few of these a day. It's the best way to stay in touch with them. Let's go for a spin. This car has a real interesting history. I'll show you. There's information in the trunk. There's storyboards, a photo album of the before and after. It was in a front end accident, so the car got parked and was just left, and a guy took it and restored the car completely and went on to win trophies. There's a picture with trophies this high next to the car. He won the AACA Senior first prize in 2006. Senior award means you compete against the other first prize winners, and he rose to senior status. It is like it was born. It is a red on red car. Here's some of the cool stuff that comes with it. Got a remake of the window sticker, all the features, a newspaper article. That's just some of what's included. Oh. It's got GT wheels, new tires, the GT stripes, has GT exhaust tips in the back. The interior is full of nice features, including a really rare bench seat, which has the fold-down armrest, which is nice. They put seat belts in the front. Everything glistens in there. It has rally pack gauges, air conditioning, deluxe wheel. It's a 289. Like I said, factory air, has power brakes. Everything in here has been redone. They've added a little electric fan for some extra cooling, but all the air cleaner and downdraft pipe and manifolds and everything looks really nice shape in here. All clean metal, all the nuts and bolts, the windshield squirters, everything looks proper, looks new, looks real nice. Painted real nice. Now look at the paint job. It's gleaming red. It's all metal. I have a photo album of the restoration. It's a full metal car, not packed with fiberglass and Bondo. It won in 2006. There's a few minor paint flaws that you'll notice if you're wiping the car down under intense lights like this, but out in a sunny day, anyone who sees this car, it still looks perfect. All the chrome is gleaming. The spare is a matching wheel. It's all painted, has a real nice red car cover. Here's some more information that goes with the car. And here's a photo album of the restoration from start to finish. Pretty interesting stuff there. This will all go with it. Back to the interior, it's got an AM/FM stereo. It looks like the original radio, fits right in the factory hole. White headliner, visors, it's all new. Interior lights work. All the chrome is sparkling inside. Around the gauges, the air conditioner, the shifter, the knobs, it's all sparkling. It's all been replaced, all redone inside that car. New windshield, door jambs are detailed out. Again, all clean, nice metal. Runs and drives beautifully. This is the for the AACA. That's the senior award plaque right there. All of this trim, the wipers, all shiny, sparkly, beautiful. I'm going to start it up for you. These are reproduction floor mats. Oop, need the key out of the trunk. Owning a Mustang is lots of fun. There's clubs. There's a lot you can do with a car like this. Runs real nice. So I don't need to tell you, this is a sexy Mustang. Red on red with the wheels. It's just sharp. You're going to pull into a car show. Everyone's going to look at this one. Air conditioned. Comes with a neat story. conversation piece. Underneath, the car is all restored too. There'll be pictures on our website. Everything fits nice, lines up real nice. So there you have it. This Mustang has a lot to offer. Nice get in, turn the key, cruise, whether you just want to impress people at the gas station or at the ice cream place, or you want to go to car shows and win trophies, this is the car. Go to volocars.com, catch it before someone else does. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.